Måste man få ut allt?
Ja, jag kommer.
Men va? Ja, jag kommer spö. Åh, det bara rinner ut där.
Ännu längre.
Jag är här!
Took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. I got my bitches out in Georgia, oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it.
Me thinking it's giving me COVID. Girl, make sure it don't go up farther.
Ow.
This is torture.
Shoving this down her nose. Oh, that's crazy. That's not like that. So how was that?
Intense.
And we're all done.
Alright, I'm ready.
Baby, who you kidding? Girl, we're running from the truth. I know you want me to, so why do you? You come around and you leave with the sunlight. Just when it's getting good, you hit me with a goodbye. Same thing every night, I can never get
Oh my god.
Cheese. Don't jog me.
You're recording yourself?
Yeah. On this one. Oh, sake. He's stuck. Don't, I'm gonna sneeze.
That's enough! بدي هنشوف بدي صوتي درته هنزع
Getting a COVID test to travel to Puerto Rico.
Your friend Josh has been talking to me.
Get in there. Swab, stick it. Ouch. Bless you. Bless you. Stained hoodie?
Oh! From this end.
And then the same thing on the other nostril, I'm already crying.
I'm okay with not being perfect. 'Cause that's perfect for me. That's perfect.
Oh my god.
'Cause that's perfect to me.
Oh my god.
No matter where I go.
I picked this nose too far away.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Sorry.
Now you did it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Cute. Jag tar ju det där testet nu.
That's it? I thought you was going to do the other nose. No, I just one. Oh my god.
Okay, you're all done. Oh my god. I'm crying. Me too, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, that tickled in a whole nother way.
Yeah,
Oh my
like
God.
I'm still like
Okay guys, so me and my mom just got to
తిప్పాలి సర్క్యులర్ మోషన్స్ మా అన్నిట్లా తిప్పాలి
I'm gonna cry. Okay, put it in.
Your test results will be emailed to you within 48 hours. Okay, so we...
Oh my god. And then we have to repeat.
Let go. Let go. Let go. No. 10. Jesus Christ. Flipping heck, woman. What's the matter with you?
Oh my god. Ay, grabe guys. Grabe yun. Ay, grabe pag umabot siya hanggang dito, umabot siya
In the middle. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me.
Every time you film
Bless me.
Oh my god. I tripped over them.
Bless me. 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 Bless me.